I'm the only one that gets the job done. I don't know a person that can cover for me. Believe me, believe me. That's really a reality that you need to realize at some point is when you really dedicate yourself towards becoming that savage, that killer, is it's all cool, fun, and dandy when you have the energy and you are heading up the team, you are the front runner, you are here, you're there, you're everywhere, destroying, winning, succeeding. Um, and it's when you have to focus your attention elsewhere and the hole will start leaking. And that's when you realize that being that front runner, not all that is cut out to be. And that's when you realize that you're the one that gets the job done. And you can't find someone that's going to cover for you.